Okay, morning guys. We're gonna do the air ride on the front of a 84 W900. There you go. So you see these blue marks, bumper, and here, that's my measurements. I'll see if I can get it for you. That's how tall it is now on this side to that line, 48.5. We're hoping to get it, I don't know, 6 to 8 inches lower this side. 2 leaf spring. We're gonna go down to 1, see how low that gets us. If the 1 doesn't get us low enough, we're gonna end up doing different front springs. Here's the kit. All the plates. Everything just come out of the water jet, I guess. Everything's got to be welded together yet. We use 9422 bags, so that's Kenworth 8 bag. That's the same as what's on the back. It's all the same now. All 10 bags will be the same. Fully restored this truck frame off. Took about 4 years. There is a short video posted when it was out of paint on YouTube here, but I just wanted to let you guys show you a little bit. We're just going to take off the front bumper just for ease of access. I think I'm going to leave the front wheels on for the simple fact of I can roll the axle around if I have to. That's what I did when we did the leaf springs the first time. I should have airbagged it then, but I was busy and I needed the truck right then and there, so we just did what we had to do to get her back on the road. But anyways, guys, that's it for now. We'll hit you up later. Okay, guys. Sorry. So this side has this plate. I imagine that it cracked, that horn, pretty famous for it. So I extended it so that I could get the bag mount to fit there. Go around to the other side. Okay, so here's the airline stuff. So I have it set up so that this is the passenger side just because that fitting ends up going that way, and this is the driver's side because that fitting goes that way. I did 2 solenoids because I wanted to be able to dump and fill both sides differently. So that's why I did that way. These 1/4 inch, these go up to my gauge, these 2. Go up to the gauge that I'll put in the dash. I'll just use a air gauge, just like a primary, secondary air gauge. Should work good. This side I've done nothing to. This is the easy side. If some guys have done this, some guys haven't. This is the easy side, so that's why I'm leaving it for now. I'll do the hard side first, and then I'll do the easy side. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. That's what we got going on. We'll keep building away here. Okay guys, we're back. I got both sides in, tacked up. The steering clears no problem. Like, probably could have brought that bag out another inch or 2 if well, inch for sure, but it's fine. Everything's gonna be fine, everything clears. I should show you, it's a little tight in here on this fitting, on the power steering fitting. See if you can see it in there. But I mean, that's never gonna move, and there's still like an inch between, so should be fine. This side is in. This side was way easier. Right now I'm going to move the Webasto, but I'm thinking I should probably take all this apart and paint everything because I'm just going to go black for now. It's an ordeal. I want to smooth all this frame out and make it look a lot better than it does. So I guess you probably want to see the clearances in there. It's pretty good around the oil filter and shit. Everything's good. So air ride 84 W900 B model, stretched out to 270. Fresh paint this last April. It's now July. It hasn't been out very much. There's the leaves that I took out. Here's all the miscellaneous parts from each side. I kept the caster shims in as you're supposed to do. Keep your caster right. I have measurements for ride height. I'll basically adjust it just how the driveline sounds, really. See how it goes from there. If not, I have the measurements. I'll just mark everything down, what pressures or what height, and go from there. I'm thinking that that steering box bolt that's under there, right in there, that sucker there, that's where my shock's going to want to mount, and it's going to be kind of a son of a, but shouldn't be a problem. We should be able to get it, no sweat. Shouldn't be no issues here with anything, actually. Okay guys, I'll come back and show you in a bit. Okay, final part. It's done, boys. Shit, I put the cover back on the other side. Oh well. You can see how I did that shock. It's real tough to get in there. I didn't even take a picture or nothing. Damn it. Oh well. I'll be in there another day. And this side, exact same. That's fully aired down. That leaf. Hoping it flexes a little bit more. It's straight, so hopefully it starts to go up. I'll ride it with no air in it for a while. See how it goes. Ignore all the bugs on it. So that's aired down. It's not bad. It's a lot better than it was, that's for sure. And I put my switches here, a couple gauges. Thinking 40 in each is going to be ride height. So that's ride height. Anyway, I just wanted to finish it up. There you guys go.